Before starting, I would like to thank all my colleagues that helped us these 2 days, Lorena, Ștefan, Tavi, Irina, Nikki, Mihaela, but she's not here, but a big thank you from me to all our group. So we will start the ceremony with the awards from the Romanian Chemical Society. So I will invite Professor Sârbu to present them.
Okay, it's a great pleasure for me to announce the awards which will be from Romanian Chemical Society. We have 2 awards. They have also a money amount. It's not free of charge. It's a really award, and it's for one for each section. So for section 1, which is material, essentially material part of our works, this prize goes to Mr. Sorin Viorel Dolana from Team 1, and I hope that this will be something which will encourage you to make a very good thesis, because I know that you are working alone practically to this, and I enjoy that you obtain some very interesting results. Please take it. Come here. Na. Stai aici, că vrea și în partea asta. E ok? Gata. Și rămân acolo. Gata, am înțeles. Da, doar atât. For the section of biology, we have the pleasure to give this award to another young researcher with a very, very good presentation. So this award goes to Ioana Alexandra Bala for the work Blue Light Laser Effects on Trichoderma and on its plant biostimulant formulations. Congratulations. Come here to. Okay.
Thank you.
So we have also 2 special prizes this year, like last year, 2 invitations for keynote lectures for the next year. And the first one is going to Grigor Epshenovsky. So you are invited to like this year it was George and Bogdan. Next year you have to make a keynote presentation. So big challenge. Congratulations. And the second prize is going to Naomi Tritean, the same, for a keynote presentation. Congratulations. Stai la foto. Unde e?
As we did also last year, we have 2 Europe Awards for our foreign participants. So the first award goes to Alice Legrand. I think she already left. And the second award goes to Farouk Usman. I don't know if Farouk is online. If not, we will send him the diploma, and all the awards, the NeXT-Chem awards are coming with a discount voucher covering the participation fee for PRIOChem 19 this October. Our next awards are the Innovation Award, one for each section, which will award the research that is has a very strong applied character. Also, one for each section. For section 1, material science, practically, the Innovation Award goes to Marina Aurel Trofin for the work sulfobetaine functionalized gel and gums, synthesis, solution, and gel properties. I think
Thank you.
Marin should be online.
Yes, yeah, I'm here. Thank you very much.
It's from Petru Poni, so if not, we will send him the diploma and the discount voucher, and also, you are online.
Thanks. Thank you very much. It's an honor for me.
Your microphone is off.
What the... Hey. Do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
I just wanted to say I'm honored and thank you very much.
We don't hear you anymore.
Thank you. I am honored.
You are very welcome. You had a very nice talk, very nice presentation. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
We will wait you at PRIOChem this October, and also next year at NeXT-Chem.
Thanks.
The second Innovation Award, it's for section 2, the bio section. Everyone knows it like that. So the Innovation Award for section 2 goes to Luminița Dimitriu. So we have the final prizes that
So we have a special award for Cristina Pirincă for her work. Good luck for your thanks. And the last special award is granted to Maria Grapin and Roxana Ioana Matei. And of course, you are invited to my presentation. Thank you. Thank you. So we are at the last minute, let's say, of this event. Thank you very much for your participation. It was a very exciting and interesting event. I hope that this will be an impulse for you for the next research, and we wait all of you to participate also to PRIOChem in October. And good luck for preparation of the new projects that will come, because probably the competition will be open soon. So we have to work. The researchers that have already a PhD degree, for sure they should prepare proposal for PD projects, and also for young researchers groups projects. So good luck for this. Thank you very much for all your participation. And also I want to thank for the organizing committee, and not also scientific but also technical, Stefan and Lorena, and of course our sponsors and the collaborators, partners, Romanian Chemical Society and the UCHEMS, and information also partner. We address many thanks. Please.
If I can have a final word. All the papers presented these 2 days were very good, were great presented. So all of you are truly winners. But as you know, the number of prizes is limited. However, we expect you at the PrioChem, where there will be another set of awards. So focus on your work and continue to do great jobs. Thank you for your participation these days.